Today we are going to discuss calculations for main dimensions, that is D and L. We know the output equation of three-phase induction motor is Q is equal to C0 into D square L Ns, and the value of C0 is 11 BAV AC kW into 10 to the power minus 3. C0 is output coefficient, D is diameter, L is stator core length, Ns is a synchronous speed. The product of D square L is separated into two parts, that is D and L. D and L separated by two methods. First one is ratio of core length to pole pitch, L by tau ratio, core length to pole pitch ratio. In this, the value of L by tau ratio is different for various designs. Suppose if you have to design machine for minimum cost, the value of L by tau ratio is 1.5 to 2. If you have to design machine for good power factor, the value of L by tau is 1 to 1.25. For good efficiency, the value of L by tau ratio is 1.5. If you have to design machine for good overall design, then the value of L by tau ratio is unity, that is 1. And for best power factor, the value of tau is equal to under root 0.18 L, and where tau is equal to pole pitch and the value of pole pitch is equal to pi d divided by p. P is a number of poles, d is a diameter of stator core. The second parameter to separate D and L is peripheral speed. Peripheral speed is considered in terms of synchronous speed Ns and bore diameter to separate D and L. Therefore, peripheral speed in meter per second is given by V is equal to pi d Ns, where d is diameter of stator bore and Ns is synchronous speed in RPS, that is revolution per second. For normal design, diameter should be selected such that the peripheral speed should not exceed 30 meter per second, should not exceed. And if we use special type of rotor construction, for special rotor construction, the speed is allowed up to 75 meter per second, but which results into high cost. From this discussion, we can conclude that for separate D and L, that is main dimensions of machine, we require either L by tau ratio, that is core length to pole pitch ratio, or peripheral speed. Thank you.